Okay, focusing right now on the battle for Delhi. The India bloc clearly split over the fact that you don't have the AAP and Congress fighting together in this election. Now is seeing other political parties in the alliance taking a stand. Trinamool Congress, Samajwadi Party have backed the Aam Aadmi Party, endorsing them publicly in the election. And now Shiv Sena UBT has also thrown their hat in the ring again in favor of Arvind Kejriwal, saying reportedly that they will even go ahead and campaign for Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi. Sources telling us that Arvind Kejriwal has been in touch with Uddhav Thackeray, and that's why you have this messaging coming to the fore that the Shiv Sena UBT is in support of Arvind Kejriwal. Where does this leave the Congress, considering that all of the India allies seem to be backing Arvind Kejriwal, seem to be backing the Aam Aadmi Party? Congress claims that they've got the biggest say in the India bloc, the biggest say and the most influence. And yet here you have almost every regional party coming out, speaking out and saying we back Arvind Kejriwal.
लोकसभा में आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस एक साथ लड़े थे। हम सब एक साथ रहे ना, इसीलिए तो बीजेपी का हमने पराभव किया है, हराया है बीजेपी को। हमने बहुमत नहीं मिला मोदी जी को, लेकिन विधानसभा में जिस तरह से आप एक दूसरे के खिलाफ अखाड़े में फ्रीस्टाइल कुश्ती चल रही है, देश देख रहा है। 4 साल के बाद देश हमको सवाल पूछेगा।
तो
आप केजरीवाल जी को देशद्रोही इंटरनेशनल साबित करने के लिए अपनी ताकत लगा रहे हो। कांग्रेस ने ये नहीं करना चाहिए।
Okay, let's bring in Rahul Gautam on this broadcast for more details. Rahul, it's clearly, of course, a message that's being sent across by these parties that they're backing the stronger party of the alliance in Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party. But where does this really leave the Congress?
Akshita, in terms of political equations, Congress party has not much to lose in the national capital, given the fact that they have less than 4% vote share, in Delhi, and they've got only they've got 0 seats in last 2 elections. So politically speaking, it's not a much setback, but in terms of perception and in terms of optics, it's a huge embarrassing and a big jolt for Congress party, given the fact that Congress, on one hand, is in leading position as far as India bloc is concerned, but his own allies, like Shiv Sena, TMC, Akhilesh Yadav, all these people are throwing their weight behind Arvind Kejriwal, and this is happening at a time when Congress is claiming that they're going to revive themselves in the national capital by regaining its traditional vote bank, which has now gone to Aam Aadmi Party. Clearly, perception-wise, is quite denting as far as Congress party is concerned. And, we also must understand that this is part of the larger picture. We all know that how Mamata Banerjee had earlier expressed that she wanted to lead India Alliance, and how there are several parties that want to dislodge Congress party from the leadership position as far as India bloc is concerned. So you can count this as part of that strategy. But quite embarrassing for Congress, given the fact that their overall alliance partners are not sure that whether Congress is going to open its account in the national capital, and whether it would be really right to bank upon Congress, and therefore they are throwing their weight behind Aam Aadmi Party, which they believe has greater chances of trumping BJP in the national capital.
And this is happening at a time, you've got the support coming in from political parties of the India bloc at a time when reportedly the Congress top brass isn't entering into the poll fray, into the campaign fray in Delhi, because they don't want to be seemingly taking a stand against Arvind Kejriwal. It hasn't stopped other allies of theirs to actually speak out vocally and back the Aam Aadmi Party in this election. Overall, these are glaring cracks that have come to the fore in the India bloc in the run-up to the Delhi Assembly elections.